In today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can earn over $50,000 with a simple method. Now, like always, I'm going to share with you my results from doing this. I'll show you how you can get started with this yourself, because believe it or not, you can do this method today. You don't need any skills or experience, and you can do this from absolutely anywhere in the world. So let's jump into it and we'll go through this. So this is a platform over here and it's called Warrior Plus, and you can see on here I have withdrawn from this platform over here 48,974. I've currently got available 2,581. So this is available within my balance. So if I withdraw this now, it will take me over $50,000. If I come up here and go to affiliate dashboard, I'll just show you this very quickly, because this isn't a platform that I focus on too much at all. And you can see in the last 30 days I've managed to earn $2,000. But again, I don't focus too much time on this. Now, previously, I used to spend a lot of time on here, but now I focus on high-ticket items whereby I can earn a lot more money for a lot less work. Well, I just want to share with you some examples and basically how you can do this method yourself. So I want to come in here and click on All Time. I'm going to click on Go. And then I'll just show you this very quickly. So, I don't know what's going on there. Let me click on All Time and click on Go. So you see here, these are my stats of all time on this platform here. So you can see we've got this product. Oh, sorry, let me just drag that up again for you. So this platform here, we have got the product name down here. We've got hops, sales, hop conversion, dollar per hop, and sales. So basically what it means is hops stands for people I have sent over to a sales page. This is hops. Sales is obviously people purchasing the product. We've then got hop conversion. So basically, this is the number of hops divided by the number of sales, gives you a conversion. And then you've got dollar per hop, average sale, etc. Now, these are all the different products that I have marketed and shared content around. And you can see we've got some pretty decent conversions. And if we scroll up the page here, you can see like this product here, this Aurora, I've done 273 sales. This product, 200. This one, 130, etc., etc. Now, normally what happens over on this platform over here, this Warrior Plus platform, people do a method which is known as launch jacking. Now, if you don't know what launch jacking is, let me walk you through this really quickly. So if I come over here, this is a website and it's called munchai.com. Now on here, you can find any affiliate marketing product which is going to be launching in the internet marketing space. Now on the left-hand side, you've got big launches, and on the right-hand side, you've got all launches. Now on here, you can find any products which is going to be launching in the marketplace, and you can scroll through and have a look at this, in a snapshot and see what it's about. So you can see here, this is over on Warrior Plus. This is the person whose course this is the product name, this is how much it costs, and this is how much you can earn as an affiliate. So if you wanted to promote this product here, you could earn $9. Now you could earn $9 basically. So if I click on there, normally what happens is, look, you get a JV page. So this is whereby you can go ahead and find out more information about the product, and you can get your affiliate link and other bits. So when it comes to launch jacking, what I mean by that is, so this product here, this Limitless, what will happen is on the 26th of February, this product will launch, and then, email marketers will email their lists, and then people will get that email and they'll go on Google and YouTube, and they'll type in, Limitless review, Limitless software, Limitless product review, etc., etc. Then what will happen is, obviously, people will make sales, and you'll make some sales from that. But then what happens is, after a week or maximum probably 2 weeks, that that product launch is finished and it's over, and then people are now moving on to the next shiny object. So if we go back over here, you can see, scroll down here, so that product here, Limitless, it's launching on the 26th of February, but if I scroll a bit further down, look at this, like by the 3rd of March, we've got all of these additional products launching, and keep coming down the page. Look, this product's launching every single day. So if you were to spend all of your time and effort creating, a blog article or a YouTube review video, or, anything, or creating content around that product name / review, that piece of work that you've spent the time doing, that's got a shelf life of 2 weeks. Then after that 2 weeks, nobody's going to be looking for that product at all. So then everyone's moved on. So you've done that work once, and it's not going to be bringing you in any more income. Whereby what I like to do over on here is I find a product, I then learn about that product, and then I pitch the product in reverse. So a classic example of this is this one over here. It's called Octane. And just to show you this, let me just go into my YouTube studio. So I'll come here and I'll go into my YouTube studio so you can see this, that I have never actually done a product review for this piece of software called Octane, and I'll tell you a little bit about this and what it is. So if I come up here and search across your channel, let me just show you this. I'll type in Octane. Look, I've got no product reviews or no review videos for that piece of software. However, what I have got is this. So if I go on here and I type in make money on YouTube, let me click on show all. Let me just get rid of that. We'll scroll down the page here and I will show you this. So you see this here, look. This was on Boxing Day 2018, and what is this video about? This video is all about how to make money on YouTube without making videos, and look at this. I have then got a link here to this piece of software, Octane. So what did I do? I found out about the product Octane, I then learned about it, and what I mean is I just went over to that JV page, and you can do that over here, over on this Munshine. Go ahead and look at JV pages. I found out that the product was about making money on YouTube, because what this software here does is it's a cloud-based software, and people log into the software, they type in a keyword, and then this Octane software, it can create YouTube videos for people, you know, without them being on camera, without them talking, etc, etc. So what I do is I share with them the method, and I'm sure many of you have seen, you know, these videos on the channel. So I would say, you know, if you want to do this method, you need to go over to these websites here, you need to download the videos, you need to go onto this website, download the music, you need to then get a video editor and compile it all together, etc, etc. This is the process, but if you want a faster method and a quicker way, then you can check out this product over here. And basically, I'm taking the product, but instead of doing a review video and, you know, trying to sell them on the video at the front end, I share the video and the software at the end after I've taken them through the process. So then once they've gone through that process, they can see the actual benefits of the product. That A, it can speed up the time for them. B, they don't have to be on camera if they don't want to be. Because if you take this search term here, look, make money on YouTube, let's just take this and go search on Google. So you can see here, there's 110,000 people every single month searching for how to make money on YouTube. If I take this a little bit further, look, how to make money on YouTube without making videos. 590 people a month are searching for this. How to make money on YouTube without showing your face. We've got 110 people searching for this. So do you think these people here searching for this would be interested in a piece of software which can create YouTube videos for them without making videos themselves, without showing their face? Yes, they would, absolutely. And that is reflected in the sales over here. So you can see 207 sales from doing this. And I do this for a number of, you know, different products and other bits. There's another one that comes to mind, which is, where is it? It's called Fiverlicious. Let me just scroll up a little bit, see if I can find this one for you. This one over here, Fiverlicious, 172 sales for this product, and I did the same process. Now this is a course about essentially outsourcing work on Fiverr. So you list a gig on Fiverr. Once you get a sale, you then go over to a different website, you get somebody else to do that work for you. Once they've done the work, you then give it to your buyer on Fiverr, and you basically pocket the money, you know, the difference between what your customers paid you and what you pay to the person on another website. And that's the same for this product over here, this Fiverlicious. So if I come back over here into my YouTube account and I just type in Fiverlicious, you will see I have got no video reviews for that, because again, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this because no one's going to be looking for Fiverlicious, you know, 2 years down the line. But if I show you, if I type in, let's just type in Fiverr, type this and scroll down, you see this video here, look, February the 26th, 2019. So this video is 2 years old, right? Come in here. So people are always interested in, you know, I can make money doing nothing essentially. Now this video here, look, in the last 48 hours, it's had 9 views. It's not a lot of views, but the video is over 2 years old and it's earned me $335 from the video. That's great, isn't it? I've earned $335. But in terms of affiliate commissions, here I've earned $1,449 from that product. And if I go into this product, I'm still getting sales. So if I go into this here, and I'll go, let me just go on to this month, click on go. I'm certain I've had a sale this month from this product here, this Fiberlicious. Now, let me change it to this month. And you can see here, look. So I've had 4 hops, so 4 people have watched the video on YouTube, they've come over to the sales page, and 1 person has bought, and this product has earned me $8.01. However, I uploaded that video onto YouTube 2 years ago, and yet it's still bringing me in a passive income. So I think you'll agree it's pretty cool, and it's a pretty awesome method. And look, this is just one of the ways that you can make money over on YouTube. If you want to learn more ways about making money, whether it is on Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and many more, I'll drop a link to my YouTube course down below. You can go ahead and check that out. But again, you don't have to if you don't want to. But look, that is pretty much today's video. That is how you can make over $50,000. That is how I've made over $50,000. It is creating content, and instead of pitching a product at the beginning, you show a method, but at the end of the video, you share with them, a quicker way and a faster way. And then what people will very quickly start to understand is, doing it this way, the normal way, it's long-winded and, it can take a lot of time. But if you share with them a piece of software or a website or, a training course or anything like that, that can speed up the entire process, they will a lot of the time purchase the product. And if you set all of this up correctly, like I show you in my YouTube course, then you can also earn essentially a passive income. So look, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.